What's up guys, today I'm gonna show you how to reverse a video on CapCut PC. So the first thing we have to do is to get a video that we want to reverse and to drag it in our timeline, like this. I have this video, I will cut it right here and I will copy it because I want to do something later. So I want to reverse this part of the video, and to reverse it you just have to press this button. This is the reverse button. Now it's reversing, and as you can see the video is reversed right now. And now I want to connect it with the other clip because I wanted to create this cool transition. Like so. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.